dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The People Democratic Party has charged the Inspector General of Police, H0T, to stop the alleged harassment of their members and innocent citizens of Edo State by the All Progressive Congress. Moving on after this, we have the chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Prof. Mahmood Yakubu, on Monday arrived in Benin, Edo State capital, as part of the event to line up for the state governorship election slated for September 21st, 2024. Alright, my wonderful people, thank you so much for joining us on today's wonderful news. If today is the first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining. So guys, let's proceed. The People Democratic Party has charged the Inspector General of Police, H0T, to stop the alleged harassment of their member and innocent citizens of Edo State by the All Progressive Congress. The PDP National Policy Secretary, Ighodalo, while speaking at a press conference, said the APC has been allegedly arresting leaders and supporters of the opposition party. Olugunagwa, who accused the APC of allegedly working in connivance with some security operatives, stated that the aim of the ruling party is to scare the people ahead of the September 21st gospel election. So according to him, he said the PDP again has called on the Inspector General of Police to widen in and halt the activities of the APC, which is now pitching the people of Edo State against the police. The IGP should ensure the immediate and unconditional release of every Edo citizen being detained by the APC. Debo said the IGP owns a duty to the people of Edo State and the nation in the preservation of peace and sustenance of democracy. To address this issue before it escalates, that is why Olugunagba is calling on the IGP to intervene. He said this is the only way to dose the tension in Edo State and reassure the people of a free, fair, transparent, and credible election. He added that the people of Edo State had had enough from the APC and they will use every legitimate means allowing democracy to defend themselves by directly and physically confronting and resisting the APC in their desperate plot to derail this September 21st governorship election. He said that the PDP, as a law-abiding and applying party that stands for the interests of the people, will not fold their hands and watch APC harass the people of Edo State, because their party will, within the ambit of the law, stop at nothing in contending with the APC. We do head-to-head in all ramification, magnitude, and force where necessary to protect their democracy and ensure that the will of the people of Edo State is not subverted in this election. That the PDP is standing shoulder to shoulder with the people of Edo State in their resolve to protect their state and democracy, and anybody, no matter how high placed the person is, who in any way attempt to subvert the will of the people of Edo State in this election will definitely face the consequences. And they are begging the IGP to intervene before it's too late. But they're not going to fold their hand and watch APC harass the people of Edo State. So I guess I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying tuned. Moving on to the next one. The chairman of the Independent National Electoral Commission, Prof. Mahmood Yakubu, on Monday arrived in Benin, Edo State capital, as part of event line up for the state's governorship election slated for September 21st, 2024. According to the itinerary, the INEC Bùŕst will witness a mock accreditation in 3 locations: a readiness assessment of INEC local government office, interagency consultative committee on election security, stakeholders engagement, a meeting with members of staff, a visit to the palace, and signing of the peace accord by political parties. So announcing the chairman arrival on Monday, the Edo State INEC head of voters education and publicity, Timidi, said that Tuesday will be for a readiness assessment visit to Oboka, Ego, Oredo, and Ovia North-East local government area, while mock accreditation will take place at Western Boys High School and India College. On Wednesday, that the INEC Bùŕst will meet with the stakeholders and also visit the palace. On Thursday, that the party is going to sign the peace accord while the INEC chair is also expected to meet with the staff. Tinubu said that security agency and INEC is going to meet to discuss security issue relating to the election. He said that this is to inform everyone that the chairman of the commission, Prof. Mahmood Yakubu, is in town. So they should please know that based on the itinerary of the visit, that Tuesday will be for the readiness assessment visit to Iwoka, Ego, Oredo, and Ovia North East local government. Then mock accreditation at Western Boys High School and Idia College will hold by 1 p.m. and they will encourage journalists to follow the chairman and cover this event. The Independent National Electoral Commission on Monday has announced the successful accreditation of 721 media personnel from 114 media organizations to cover the upcoming Edo State Government election on September 21st, 2024. So the accredited athletes, which include newspaper, radio, television, and online platforms, have collectively submitted the details of 721 personnel who will be deployed to cover the election. INEC has reviewed this in a statement they released on Monday by their National Commissioner and Chairman of the Information and Voters Education Committee, Sam Olumeko. So according to the commission, the personnel will serve as reporters, as cameramen, brokers, engineer, and support staff during the election. So the list of accredited organization and personnel has been verified and it has been made available on INEC official website and social media platform. You guys can record that in their recent statement, the commissioner urged media organizations interested in covering the forthcoming Edo State Government election to submit the application and upload the personal details of their personnel ahead of the deadline of Thursday, 5th September 2024. So right now, the full list, including the number of personnel to be deployed, has been uploaded to their website and social media platform. So right now, INEC have said that the accreditation tag would be ready ahead of the election to allow unhindered access to voting and collation center. Right now, they've urged media organizations and observers to adhere to their professional ethics and abide by legal frameworks and the commission regulations throughout the election process. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, your opinions are in our comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to here. But if you haven't subscribed to our page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn notification bell to get notified whenever we drop a video. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for staying to here. So all our viewers out there, thank you so much for staying to us. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Like on your ways. Bye for now.